Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Benny Don Crazy Marcus here with episode 22 of Adventures in Cooking with Marcus. Now this week we're doing a video recommended by one of our mods on all the channels, Tanky Talks. We're doing a bit of a different video. We're up in the morning because this week I'm going to attempt to make homemade croissants. So, ingredients, you are going to need some pastry, but 2 cups just so I make sure I've got enough. Some chocolate syrup or some sort of chocolate to put inside the croissants, depending on what type you're making, and of course an egg, just to glue the sides together, give them a nice glazing over as well. So I'll prepare stuff and see you in a minute. Okay, so what I've done now is I have cut each bit of pastry into 4 individual bits. What I'm going to do is put a bit of chocolate syrup in the middle of each one, if I can. Okay, so now the syrup's been opened, you're just going to want to put like a sort of little dollop in the middle. Okay everyone, so they aren't really going to be too perfect. I think I have put too much sauce in them, but still at least I had a try. Okay, hopefully this next thing works. Okay, so take the upper corner over, then just sort of roll it in from there, sort of make the croissant end as well. Leaking chocolate sauce everywhere, so probably not the best idea. Then, ta-da! Okay, so we're just making 4 today because they aren't really went to plan. We're all a bit tired, so maybe make some more another day. Hopefully they turn out better. Just gonna glaze them over with some egg, give them a nice goldish colour. Hopefully they taste nice. Fingers crossed there, guys. Okay, so oven's on about 200. Going to be putting them in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Just check on them after a couple minutes up, make sure everything's okay. Okay, so you want that cooked, guys? Okay, everyone, so as you can see, the first attempt's done them all. Yes, what a disaster. I think if Gordon Ramsay were here, he'd probably be calling me an idiot, 'cause they have turned out quite worse for wear. Chocolates basically exploded everywhere out of them. Scooter Sue's nabbed too, so not too pleased in that department, but hopefully the second attempt will go well. So put them to the side for the time being. Okay, so I've had a sort of practice on to the sort of croissant shaped. I know you're probably thinking, well, from looking at them at the moment, they look small. But that's a whole sort of idea of a puff pastry. As I cook, they puff up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put basically 3 pieces of chocolate in the middle. Get the end and fold it basically into a triangle. Don't just sort of roll it up until it looks like that. Don't just put the sides round a bit and make them look croissant shaped. Now I'm hoping that this works this time. So you're sort of looking for like a smiley face type shape there. A banana shape even. Or even a crab shape. So not a bit of chocolate, place it in the middle. You're going to bring one side over to the other. It's quite hard because it's sort of sticking to the greaseproof paper now. Flip it over. Don't just make your crab shape. Okay, so now I've sort of made the croissants up, I'm going to put them on the tray, put them in the oven, which we've now got at about 175 degrees, because the other ones did burn a bit. Think that should take about 15-20 minutes, but we will just check on them from time to time, so see you in a minute. Okay, time to go in the oven. Okay, so fingers crossed. Yeah, fingers crossed. I can't. Oh, something there. Yeah, fingers crossed. Yeah, Mark's done it for us. Hopefully, they turn out well. I've been told maybe even 10 minutes is what they take. I'm hungry, so see you in a minute. Okay, so it is time to get attempt number 2, dos in Spanish, out the oven. I really hope I've turned out better than our first attempt, guys. Yes, they have. They've turned out absolutely smashing, guys. They look a damn sight better than the ones I made earlier. They've got a nice golden colour to them as well, whereas, as you can see, the ones earlier were brown, burnt, and they look like a chocolate explosion. Okay, so I'm going to plate these new ones up separate from this morning's attempt. Then we're going to do a taste test. One's from this morning and one's we've just made. So see you in a minute. Okay, everyone, so we've got both attempts at the croissants, the chocolate explosion and the freshly made ones. So I'm going to let Scooter Sue try one of the freshly made ones first, being as she tried one of the chocolate explosions earlier.
On.
Okay, so Mum, as you tried some of these ones earlier, the chocolate explosion, what did you think of them?
The pastry was okay, they were a bit sticky, but they were nice.
Okay. Yeah. So, time for you to try the second attempt we've had. Hopefully that one will taste better for you.
Pastry's nice and crunchy. There was some chocolate there, whoops. Chocolate there, guys. Chocolatey. Nice, you going to try one?
Yeah, I'm going to try one of the chocolate explosions if I can try it off the plate. Think we've got some thunder rolling in tonight, guys. As Scooter Sue said, they are very seriously sticky. The pastry is nice and soft over. I think maybe next time I will do them with the sort of bits of chocolate bar, not chocolate syrup. Mmm.
What were the other ones, Marcus?
The first attempt is, yeah, they're nice, but they were a bit of a fail. I'll try one of the new ones. Our second attempt. as you can see in comparison there, guys, difference of the colour and the crust. Trying to get some chocolate in this one. Pastry's nice and crispy and soft. Rips apart nicely. Got a good bit of chocolate in there as well. Nice golden colour. Absolutely divine. Overall, I think the second attempt's a lot better. It isn't as messy as our first attempt. Like, do you think, Mum?
No, nice. I think you made a right mess with the first attempt.
Yeah, the first attempt, I think the mistake was using chocolate syrup and putting the oven on a higher temperature. Overall, I'll give them maybe an 8. Yes, they are nice, but they have been rather hard to cook. So, what would you rate them?
About 7 because I've been very stressful doing.
Yeah, they've been stressful as well, guys. Thanks everyone for watching. Smash that like and smash the subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Try a bit more. Bye.